Welcome to Module 3, where we'll set up the foundational environment for implementing Retrieval-Augmented Generation RAG models. In this session, we'll focus on preparing the tools and frameworks required to build a RAG pipeline. By the end of this module, you'll have a functional environment with Python, Hugging Face, and LangChain ready to build and test RAG models. Let's get started. Why environment setup matters. Before diving into RAG model construction, having the right environment ensures smooth development and integration. RAG models are unique because they combine two key AI components, retrieval and generation. Hugging Face offers cutting-edge pre-trained models, while LangChain simplifies the integration of document retrievers, embeddings, and transformers. Combined with Python, these tools provide a robust framework for developing scalable and accurate RAG pipelines. A properly configured environment helps minimize errors, reduces compatibility issues between libraries, accelerate development. Pre-trained models allow for rapid prototyping. Optimize performance. GPU acceleration and optimized search with FAISS ensure faster processing. Step 1. Installing Python and essential libraries. First, ensure you have Python installed. I recommend Python 3.8 or higher for better compatibility and performance. If you don't have Python yet, download it from python.org. Once Python is ready, install the core libraries required to build the RAG pipeline. Explanation. Transformers accesses pre-trained models like GPT, T5, and BART for tasks such as text generation, summarization, and question answering. LangChain orchestrates retrieval, document loaders, embeddings, and generative models. It simplifies the process of chaining these components together. FAISS, Facebook AI Similarity Search, a highly efficient library for fast similarity search and vector indexing, essential for document retrieval in RAG pipelines. Sentence Transformers converts text into embeddings that can be indexed by FAISS for efficient similarity searches. For GPU users, FAISS can be installed with GPU support to accelerate the indexing and retrieval process. Tip: if you encounter installation issues, consider using a Conda environment to manage dependencies more effectively. Step 2. Hugging Face integration. Hugging Face's Transformers library provides access to hundreds of pre-trained models for various NLP tasks. To integrate Hugging Face models, install the required packages. Now, log into Hugging Face using your API key to download private models and larger datasets seamlessly. Explanation. Transformers provides out-of-the-box pipelines for text generation, sentiment analysis, and summarization. Datasets simplifies downloading large datasets directly into your project. This is especially useful when fine-tuning models on domain-specific data. Authentication ensures access to exclusive or larger models without rate limits. Tip: if you don't have an API key, create a free Hugging Face account at huggingface.co to get started. Step 3. LangChain setup. LangChain serves as the bridge between document retrieval, FAISS, and text generation, transformers. It simplifies the integration process, allowing you to build pipelines faster. Explanation. LangChain supports various retrievers, document loaders, and pipelines, making it easier to build a fully functional RAG workflow by connecting embeddings, FAISS, and Hugging Face models. Step 4. Testing the setup. To verify that Hugging Face is properly installed, let's test the text generation pipeline by using a pre-trained BART model. Step 5. Document retrieval with FAISS. Now, let's verify FAISS by creating a simple vector store from sample texts. This tests document indexing and retrieval functionality. With the environment fully configured, you are now ready to build and fine-tune RAG pipelines. This setup ensures seamless interaction between retrieval and generation models, unlocking the potential to build cutting-edge AI systems capable of handling complex queries with accuracy.